Unexpected disturbances and shutdowns severely impact the bottom line of any manufacturing facility. Asset performance management systems attempt to give early warnings of breakdowns to allow maintenance to intervene in order to increase equipment uptime. But asset performance is more than just uptime. The AspenTech APM 4.0 portfolio recognizes that operating conditions fluctuate over time and affect asset integrity and productivity. Consequently, well before any single threshold alert, our APM agents detect errant behavior patterns and direct very early action to correct process or mechanical issues and avoid harmful conditions. The job of an agent is to perform intricate technical and analytical work behind the scenes to help everyone do complex work. Agents remove any guesswork by informing what needs to be known and the necessary action required to both assure production and avoid unnecessary maintenance for all assets. On a plant floor, agents can cover issues for any piece of equipment. They are quickly and easily replicated to cover all plant assets. Agent scalability assures safety, process quality, and breakdown protection for the breadth and depth of an entire plant. Anyone can be easily trained to work with agents. In fact, agents provide automation of highly analytical and technical skills so that fewer people can do more faster. The AspenTech agent solutions target explicit APM problems for definitive personnel roles. For equipment reliability staff, Aspen MTEL agents monitor and predict asset health issues, and with extreme early warnings, they prescribe process changes to avoid degradation issues or recommend maintenance action for safe, orderly service. Process operators are on the front line managing production, so with Aspen Event Analytics, agents help them recognize and correct any operating disturbances to make sure little problems do not grow into large catastrophes. ProMV agents assist process engineers by advising precise adjustments to avoid poor grade product and guarantee maximum yields. With Aspen Fidelis, users planning projects can make decisions based on exact quantified risks and costs for any CapEx or OpEx spending for all assets. And now for other types of problems where data scientists take the lead, agents can customize their solutions for unique issues. And APM Insight agents set up workflow management, providing data and displays 24/7 from any source to assure consistent decisions and follow-through action. With the AspenTech APM 4.0 portfolio, plant staff can now see and manage all the risks on mechanical and process assets, making sure they are not only running, but running well and producing the right quality and yields with the right level of spending to assure assets run safer, greener, longer, and faster. APM is no longer just about reliability and maintenance. It is an all-inclusive approach to efficiency, productivity, and safety, a pillar that supports operational excellence and the manufacturer's bottom line. For more information about agents and the APM portfolio of products, contact AspenTech today.